Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We have an old 355 deadlock on a restricted SPC key, and basically it won't come out. So key just won't come out no matter what we do. So if I push it in, if I try and pull the barrel back, oh, there we go, it comes out. And you might be able to see that keyway. That is one nasty keyway. You see that? So yeah. So the problem, what I can see now, is that if they couldn't get the key out, it means this center plug is moving. This part here is moving as you pull the key out. And I can see that's happening there, if you can see that. If I pull it back, it comes out okay. So to fix this, we need to get to the back of the plug, so let's do that. Let's take all this off. Actually, I've got my lazy screwdriver here, I'm not sure what's that. Okay, so let's take those screws out. Just Phillips head screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we take this big mechanism out. A lot of the time when these locks break, they break right here. This one's still good. So out comes the mechanism. There's a one piece, and there's our cylinder problem right there. These two screws here, these cam screws, are loose. So I can just take this out here. Now if I put this down very carefully, I won't disturb the springs and these little round parts here, and I can slide it all back together. The other thing to take note is this grease gets very greasy, so very dry, so it is a good time to kind of spray it when you've got it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my little cup here, and I'm going to put this so that the handle goes through and it sits there, so that way I can work on it and I don't have to reassemble it. So at the moment the cam screws are just loose, so I'm just going to tighten them up as tight as I can. 1 and 2. Okay, so they're tight. I could have put some Loctite on it, but I don't really think it's necessary. So I'm just going to slide that back in there. And because this glue gets a little bit, this grease gets a little bit gluey, I'm just going to use a WD. That'll break it down a little bit as well. It's a penetrating oil, so now I put my mechanism back on top, slide it into position, grab my screw and do them up by hand so we don't over tighten them or anything. They have to be in there. They have to be in there nice and tight. Tight, 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 tight. Now I can test this deadlock if I want. This is what is activating it, so I'm just going to test it. And everything's moving as it should. Bit of WD just to, that'll just make it a bit smoother. Now we test it again, work that WD in, and yeah. There's probably another 5 years in it. Seems to be working well. Now the main problem they called us for was the key wasn't able to be taken out. So let's try it now. Key goes in, you rotate it 360, you lock the handle, and the key comes in and out now. No problems. Okay, so that's repairing the inner barrel on a restricted key on an old 355. Thanks for watching.